Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our 1987 short wide Silverado, black and silver. It's got 22-inch US mags, brand new tires, 5.7, throttle body injected. Detail paint is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful under the hood. Got the accordion and everything for the breeder. It's all with the paint. Got a new blanket under the hood. Got some projector headlights that look great. Those wheels really make the truck, but we took them down and polished them and made those outside edges look great. It's got the LED marker lights. Paint job shines beautiful. It's got brand new body side movement. Looks great. The jams are pinstriped on the inside. The truck is done through and through. Beautiful. Bucket seats console. Rockford Fosgate thumper with a retro stereo in it that looks original, but it's not. You can hear the stereo playing. New headliner, new dash pad, original steering wheel, restored dash, air is ice cold, power windows, power locks work great. It's got the blanks for the door pulls. We took off the straps, restored the door panels. Really, really beautiful truck. Chrome locking bead on the inside the windows has been redone. It's got a black spray-in bed liner that's very light, looks great. You can see the shine all the way across. It's got nice dual exhaust, it's solid, it's beautiful. It's got Toyo tires, 22-inch back wheels, 20-inch front wheels, dual exhaust, new front and rear bumpers. It's got a brand new tailgate band. Those suckers are over $500. It is brand new. Nothing but the best for this little truck. Runs and drives great. And it is gorgeous. That shine is amazing on it. Clear through the jam. Console and the bucket seats are out of like a 72 Cheyenne Super, which really gives the truck a retro look. It is beautiful inside and out. New black carpet, new black headliner, new black and silver paint, little red pinstripe all the way down it. You can see the reflection. Back of the cab is carpeted all the way up. It's got 6x9 speakers and then the Fosgate base. Got an amp, power windows, power locks. I know from experience these wheels are over $4,000 when you get to 20s and 22s. Come get your next awesome black and silver short wide Silverado from RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all have a blessed and awesome day.